Let's make a kushka. Same like biryani, but no vegetable. Just plain, but so good, so fragrant. Just one pot we need. Just pressure cooker. Everything in one. Beautiful rice. Don't waste time. Let's move on to the video. Joss Moses Kitchen. To make this rice, we need a pressure cooker on a high heat. Add 1/3 cup of oil, cinnamon stick 1 piece, cloves 3, cardamom pods 2. Saute the spice, garlic 5, ginger julienne little into golden color. Add 2 sliced onions or green chilies and saute. By the meantime, we will soak the rice. We need 2 cups of basmati, 1 cup of Qidreh rice. Wash well and soak for 30 minutes. See, the onions are golden now. Add rough cut tomatoes too. Saute for 3 to 4 minutes. A handful of cilantro, a handful of mint. Again, saute for 3 minutes. Transfer to a plate. Cool it down. Transfer to a blender and make a fine paste. Set it aside. Onto the same pot. Add oil, 1/3 of ghee, bay leaf 2, 1 piece of mace, 1 piece of star anise, 2 cardamom pods, 3 cloves, dry red chilies 2, a small piece of cinnamon stick. Give a quick stir and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. The fragrance are out. Green chili slit 3, a half sliced onions. Saute for 3 minutes. The onion will be transparent. Add sliced tomatoes, 1 each. Salt 1.5 tablespoons. Give a quick stir for 2 minutes. Turmeric 1 teaspoon. Chili powder 2 teaspoons. Coriander powder 1 teaspoon. Saute again for 3 minutes. Add the paste. Give a quick stir. Add the soaked rice. Combine well and cook for 5 minutes. Add 5 cups of water. Combine well. Check the salt. If you need more, add more. Cover it on a high heat. 3 whistles. Remove from the heat. Let the heat goes out. Leave for 10 minutes. Open. The fragrance are so good. The rice is so fluffy. Transfer to a pot and enjoy the flavor of Kuska. The Kushka rice is ready. An uncle of Biryani. I am trying it with raita today. The recipe is there in my channel. Please visit and try it. Let's try the kushka. Wow. No comments for this dish. Beautiful combination. See, the rice are so fluffy, so good. Taste is amazing. And the rice on the side makes it more beautiful. Please, please, please. If you like it, try it. If you try it, if you like it, please share it, comment it, and give me a support by subscribing my channel, Joss Moses